I want you to pause the video, write down this differential equation and solve it. As the heading states, it can be solved by using the integrating factor. Okay, have you done? Have you done so? Finished? Alright, so make sure that you have written this down and made a genuine attempt at solving it. So let's work out this integrate this differential equation. Let's divide by x squared. We would have dy by dx plus 7 over x squared y equals, well, if you divide by x squared, this would become x e to the 7 over x. Alright, good. Now, let's see what happens here. Okay, now this differential equation is in the form dy by dx plus py equal q. See that? What is p? P is equal to 7 over x squared. So what is the integrating factor? Well, the integrating factor is e to the integral of 7 over x squared dx. See that? So let's multiply both sides by the integrating factor, e to the integral of 7 over x squared dx. So you have e to the integral of 7 over x squared dx times dy by dx plus, then you have e to the integral of 7 over x squared dx times y is equal to e to the integral of 7 over x squared dx times, well, it's x e to the 7 over x. Alright. Now, let's work out the integral of 7 over x squared. What is it equal to? The integral of 7 over x squared is 7 times the integral of x to negative 2 dx. Should have the dx here too. Equal 7 times x to the negative 2 plus 1 divided by negative 2 plus 1 plus c. But we'll leave out the constant of integration here. So we're going to have 7 x to the negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 over negative 1. Okay, so this becomes negative 7 over x. Alright, so it's negative 7 over x. So what we have then is e to the negative 7 over x dy by dx plus, then we have e to the negative 7 over x times y is equal to e to the negative 7 over x times x e to the 7 over x. This is x e to the 7 over x. Alright, so let's examine what's going on the left hand side here. Oh, I had left out the 7 over x squared. I need to write it back. 7 over x squared. This one, I had left it out. So 7 over x squared for that. 7 over x squared should come here. Alright. Is this a result of in differentiating a product? Let's see. Here, one of the products would be y. One of the members of that product would be y. Is e to the negative 7 one of them? Let's differentiate e to the negative 7 and see what we get. Let's say y is equal to e to the negative 7 over x. Let's differentiate it and see what we get. Let u be equal to negative 7 over x. So we have y is equal to e to the u, and the u by dx would be, well, negative 7 over x would be the same as 7x to the negative 1. So negative 7x to the negative 1. Multiply by the power negative 1 by negative 7 is positive 7. X to the negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So it's 7 over x squared. Okay. So here, dy by dx would be dy by du. If we differentiate this to find dy by du, we get e to the u times du by dx is 7 over x squared. And u was negative 7 over x. So when you differentiate, we get 7 over x squared. So we see the 7 over x squared here and here. E to the negative 7 over x. Alright? So it shows that what we have here is the derivative d by dx of our product, which is e to the negative 7 over x y. Now that is equal to, let's see if we can simplify this part. Oh, x times e to the negative 7 over x times e to the 7 over x. If we add the indices, we say negative 7 over x plus 7 over x. Well, this would be 0. So this would amount to e to the 0, which is 1. So all you're left with over here is x. Alright. So what we do now is integrate both sides. Since I put the integral sign, I need to show what the variable is. It's dx. dx. So therefore now, when you have the integral of the derivative of a function, it's like the integral and the derivative cancel each other out, leaving the function undisturbed, just as it is. So we have e to the negative 7 over x y equal the integral of x is x squared over 2. So what we have is that y is equal to, this divide both sides by e to the negative 7 over x. Oh, by the way, plus c, the constant of integration, we use that here now. So it's x squared over 2e to the negative 7 over x plus c over e to the negative 7 over x. Right? Alright. Now, this would amount to half x squared e to the 7 over x plus c e to the 7 over x. Alright? You could write it as y equal e to the 7 over x half x squared plus c. Alright? So, that's what we have as our solution.